In the fourth problem, Rajesh and Rakesh are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2018 was as follows. Balance sheet 31st March 2018, creditors 41,500, general reserve. Here no bills payable, you should keep in mind. General reserve, this will be distributed in the partner's capital account. 4,000. Capitals 30,000, 16,000, 46,000. Cash in bank 22,500. Bills receivable, new item, it is an asset, current asset. 3,000. Debtors 18,000. Here so little bit confusion is there. Don't get confusion. Less PDD 1,000, that is 17,000. Stock 20,000. Buildings 25,000. Machinery 4,000. Totally 91,500. On 1/4/2018, they admit Shyam as a new partner for 1/4 share in the future profits on the following terms. He has to bring in cash rupees 10,000 as capital and rupees 5,000 as goodwill. Appreciate buildings by 20%, maintain 5% PDD on debtors. See here, total how much is there? 18,000 PDD. For example, I want to tell you, 18,000 is the debtors into 5%. That is 900. This is the 900. Already created is 1,000. They thought that 1,000 is not recoverable. But here 100 recovered. 1,000 minus 900. That is 1,100 is recovered. This is the profit to the firm. So like this, I provide outstanding repairs bills for rupees 1,000, repair revaluation account, partners capital account, new balance sheet. So now, by buildings account, so 25,000 into 20%, 5,000. By PDD, 18,000 into 500 is equal to 900. 1,000 minus 900, 100. To outstanding repair bills 1,000. So 5,100 is there. To partners capital account, that is Rajesh, Rakesh. So 5,100 minus 1,000, 4,100 into 3 by 5, 4,100 into 2 by 5. 2,460, 1,640. Total 4,100. So 5,100 and 5,100. This is profit. Next is there This is all partners capital accounts DR CR. Particulars Rajesh, Rakesh and Shyam. Particulars Rajesh, Rakesh Shyam. So now by balance brought down, capital balances. By balance brought down 30,000, 16,000 dash by bank account 10,000 capital by goodwill account 5,000 increase to 2. 5,000 into 3 by 5 3,000 2,000. Next general reserve by general reserve, that is 4,000 in 3 is to 2. 4,000 into 3 by 5, 4,000 into 2 by 5, that is 2,400, 1,600 by revaluation account, that is 4,100 into 3 by 5, 2,460, 1,640. Here 10,000, here 40, 2, carry 1, 21,240, here 60, 8, 37,860. Two balance carry down. 37,860, 21,240, 10,000. So 37,860, 21,240, 10,000. Here by balance brought down 37,860, 21,240, 10,000. Lastly, balance sheet. 500. Next, outstanding repairs bill 1000. Next, capitals. Rajesh, Rakesh, Shah. 37,860. 21,240. 10,000. $69,100. So now cash at bank. Cash at bank 22,500 and Sham's capital 10,000 and goodwill 5,000, 37,500. Next, bills receivable 3,000, debtors totally 18,000. Say old 1,000 is there minus gain is 900, new 17,100. Stock 20,000. Buildings 25,000 and 20% appreciation 5,000. This is 30,000. Machinery 4,000. Say 600. 600. 1 carry 1. 11 carry 1. 1,11,600. 1,11,600. 1,11,600. Say outstanding repair bills, that is repairs made but not paid, that is the liability to the firm. Here building, appreciate building by 20%, 25,000 is the opening value, into 20 by 100 we will get 5,000 increased value in the building. PDD, totally debtors are 18,000. In that 18,000 already created 1,000 PDD, but now in the adjustments it is telling only 5% PDD on debtors. So 18,000 into 5 by 100, that is 900. Earlier 1,000 is there, but now To the extent of 900 only, they are informing us to create. For that 100 is recovered, that is the profit recorded on the credit side. Okay, totally on the credit side of the revaluation account. Credit side of the revaluation account is 5100. Here debit side is only 1000. 5100 minus 1000, 4100. That is distributed to the Rajesh and Rakesh in 3:2 ratio. 4100 into 3 by 5, 2460. Rakesh 4100 into 2 by 5, 1640. Totally 4100. Total both the columns 5100, 5100. To close the revaluation account, above the figure 1 line, below the figure 2 lines. Like this, partners capital account, buy balance brought down, 30,000 of Rajesh, 16,000 of Rakesh. It is available in the balance sheet liability side. By bank account, this is the cash brought into the business in the form of capital by the newly admitted partner Shyam. Goodwill, he also brought that. That will be distributed in the old profit sharing ratio of the old partners. General reserve, it is available on the liability side of the balance sheet. That will be distributed to the old partners only in the old ratio. Revaluation account, that is just we find out and made. This is the thing. This is just we find out 2460, 1460, 2460 and 1640. So totally on the credit side is Rajesh 37,860, Rakesh 21,240 and Shyam 10,000. On the credit debit side nothing is there. The same we balanced in the name of two balance carried down and we brought once again on the credit side as by balance brought down. Now coming to the new balance sheet of the firm. Creditors as usual amount we have taken. Here general reserve no need because already distributed in the partners capital accounts. Outstanding repairs bill, it is in the adjustments, it is the liability, it should be payable. And capital balances 37,860, 21,240 and 10,000. Just we find out with the here. Just we find out by preparing the partners capital account. Totally 69,100 is the total capitals of all the partners. And coming to the asset side, cash at bank 22,500 in the opening balance sheet. Add Shyam brought into the business in the form of capital rupees 10,000 and also goodwill 5,000. 22,500 plus 10,000 plus 5,000, that is 37,500. Bills receivable, nothing adjustment is there, directly write as it is. Debtors I told, old is 1,000, new creation is 900. That is 100 is profit, 1,000 minus 100, that is 900. Now just we have to deduct in the new balance sheet. Stock 20,000 as usual. Buildings 25,000 is the opening value. Add 20% appreciation 5,000, that is 30,000. Machinery no adjustment as it is 4,000. 1,11,600, 1,11,600. So if any doubts, you can inquire me. I will explain But at the time of asking the question, you should keep the problem as well as solution in front of you only. Okay?